Hello. Welcome to Sunny Lake Boat Rentals. How can I help you?
Hello, I want to rent a boat today.
Sure. Do you want a small boat or a motorboat?
A motorboat, please. I want to move fast on the lake.
Okay. How many people will go with you?
2 people, me and my friend.
Good. I suggest our 16-foot motorboat. It is safe and easy to use.
How much is it?
$50 per hour. We also need a $100 deposit. You get it back when you return the boat.
We will rent it for 3 hours.
Great. Do you know how to drive a motorboat?
A little. I drove a small boat before.
That is fine. I will explain how to use it and safety rules.
Thank you. I want to be safe.
Good. Always wear life jackets. They are in the boat.
Okay. Do you have a map of the lake?
Yes. Here is a map. It shows the safe areas and places to visit. Do not go to the red zones.
Good. What about fuel?
The boat has a full tank. You can refill it here if needed.
Perfect. We are ready.
Please sign this paper. Then I will give you the keys. Enjoy the lake.
Thank you very much. We are excited.
You are welcome. Follow the rules and return the boat on time. Have fun and be safe.
Good morning. Welcome to City Wheels Car Rental. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to rent a car for the weekend.
Sure. Do you have a specific type of car in mind? A small car, SUV, or something bigger?
I think a small car will be enough. I just need it to drive around the city.
Perfect. How many days will you rent the car?
From Friday morning until Sunday evening, so 3 days.
Okay, our small cars are $40 per day. There is also a $200 deposit, which you will get back when you return the car safely.
That's fine. Do I need insurance?
Yes, insurance is optional but recommended. It costs $15 per day.
Okay, I'll take the insurance. I want to be safe.
Great choice. Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. I'll just make a copy for our records. Have you driven a car like this before?
Yes, I have, but not in the city. I'm a little nervous about traffic.
Don't worry. I will give you a quick explanation of the car's features, including the GPS and parking sensors.
Thank you. That will help a lot.
You're welcome. Also, please check the car for any scratches or damages before driving.
I will. Can I choose the color of the car?
Yes, we have red, blue, and white cars available.
I'll take the blue one, please.
Perfect. Please sign this rental agreement and pay the total amount of $165 for 3 days with insurance.
Done. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip and drive safely.
Hi, welcome to Speedy Moto Rentals. How can I help you today?
Hi, I want to rent a motorcycle for 4 days.
Sure. Do you want a small motorbike, scooter, or a bigger bike?
A small motorbike is fine. I just want to ride in the city.
Great. The rental fee is $25 per day. That makes $100 for 4 days. We also ask for a $100 deposit. You will get it back when you return the bike safely.
Sounds good. Do I need insurance?
Insurance is optional, but I recommend it. It costs $8 per day.
Sure, I'll choose it. Safety is important to me.
Excellent. Do you have a motorcycle license?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. I'll make a copy. Have you ridden a motorbike like this before?
A little. I rode a scooter last year, but not a motorbike this size.
That's fine. I'll explain how to start it, use the brakes, and check mirrors. Safety is very important.
Thank you. I want to ride carefully.
Good! Always wear a helmet and gloves. We have helmets if you need one.
I have my helmet. Can I pick the color of the bike?
Yes, red, black, and white are available.
I'll take the black one, please.
Perfect. Please sign this rental form and pay $132 for 4 days with insurance.
Done. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Enjoy your ride and follow the rules.